How to change profile picture on BeReal. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up BeReal, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the top right, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and then click on your profile at the top. And here you will see your profile picture with an option that says update the picture. Click on it. You will get this pop-up right here that tells you that your profile picture will be visible to everyone, and it will make it easier for your friends to add you. And it gives you some options such as photo library, the camera, and the delete profile picture. Choose whichever option that you want among the two first ones. So you can change the picture, say for example the photo library, and then here you want to choose your new picture, select it, and then click on save at the bottom right to save the changes. And as you can see, your profile picture has been updated. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your BeReal profile picture. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.